In this video, I would like to talk with you about BizBuySell.com. BizBuySell.com is a platform that you can use in order to sell your business or to purchase businesses. Now, I don't necessarily want you to purchase $1 million business because I assume that many of you will not have the right amount of money in order to actually, buy a business for, let's say, $1 million or $2 million or $10 million or whatever. So I assume that many of you probably want to just simply purchase something that makes them money, but they don't want to invest, a huge amount of money. And that's why I would recommend you to buy a franchise. Now, you think McDonald's, for instance, is a franchise, or Burger King is a franchise, or Wendy's actually is a franchise. Now, don't worry about that. These are huge businesses, but you can also purchase smaller franchises. So basically, you can open a franchise of another company. For instance, McDonald's, of course, does not necessarily own all the McDonald's restaurants. It's rather one person that goes to McDonald's, says, all right, I want to open a McDonald's in this location. Then they come to this location, they look at the location, and they say, all right, we allow you to open a McDonald's right here, and they do the business for you. And what you're doing is you're managing the McDonald's restaurant. So basically, what you can do with this platform right here is you can, of course, purchase businesses, you can purchase a franchise, or of course, you can sell your own business. Let's first of all just have a look at businesses and purchasing businesses. So when you go on BizBuySell.com, so BizBuySell.com, you're going to be brought right here, and then you can first of all choose a business category. For instance, let's say you want to be in the food and restaurants business sector. You want to open, or you want to basically purchase a restaurant or a food business in, let's say, Illinois. And then you can also choose the county, but you don't want to choose a county. You just want to, have the state Illinois, and you want to invest at least, basically $0, and you want to invest a maximum of $250,000. Then afterwards you click on go, and then it will find businesses in that area that match these criteria. So let's see whether we can find any. Yeah, we actually have multiple businesses that fit exactly this criteria. So for instance, right here, we have this one, high volume pickup delivery pizzeria, SV suburb, sales $536,000 and a cash flow of $104,000, and you can purchase this business for $139,000. So for instance, when you click on this business, you can then have a look at the actual business. There are a couple of photos uploaded. We have the gross revenue right here. We have an asking price and the cash flow. Now, just for you to understand what the cash flow is, it says arrived at the starting with your net before tax profit, then add back into any payments made to the owner, interest and depreciation of assets. For example, if the net profit before taxes was $100,000 and the owner was paid $70,000, then the cash flow is $170,000. So basically, this is how the cash flow is set together. And then down here, we can now see, all right, we can lease this estate, or this estate is already leased. This is basically the size of it. Then right here, the lease expiration is 2020. So we still got 2 years. If we don't continue with the leasing contract. And then down below, again, facilities, competition, growth and expansion, financing, no. And then a couple more information about this business. Now, of course, we can contact this restaurant at any given time. We can also right here click on this image. In this case right now, we only got one image that is available. Let's actually go back and let's have a look at a couple more businesses on BizBuySell.com. So as you can see right here, we have another business that has a cash flow of $74,000. It currently is listed as a business that cost $195,000. And it says 2 successful businesses, breakfast place and sports bar, package deal, and then popular breakfast place and sports bar with gaming. Then down below, high volume, fast casual poke restaurant, Chicago, the North Loop, and then a couple more businesses that are listed down here. So you can buy restaurants at any given time, or buy basically any kind of business right here on BizBuySell. But of course, also what you can do is you can purchase a franchise, or you can look for franchise opportunities. So let's say you are in the franchise, or you want to be in the franchise sector of business opportunities in Illinois, then of course you can basically look for these kinds of businesses in here. You of course can also set different kinds of capital investment maxima. So in this case right now, let's say we want to go cheap and we want to only invest a maximum of $25,000. So we click on go, and now we can find opportunities in the area of Illinois. So there we go, we have found 11 different opportunities. For instance, right here, Background Screeners of America, a business that works for you 24/7 regardless of where you are. Healthier for You Vending, the premier delivery system for healthier eating choices for people on the go with several different levels of investment availability. Then Claim Tech, start a professional medical billing and practice management consulting service, and so on and so on. This one looks to me like a vending machine business. So let's actually have a look on this one right here. And it is actually a vending machine business. So it says Healthier for You Vending, a wholly owned subsidiary of the 21st Century Technology Group, was launched to be the premier healthy vending company in the world, taking advantage of our expertise in manufacturing, and so on and so on. So basically we have in this vending machine multiple snacks that of course need to be replaced. As we can see, examples right here, we have Gatorade, Red Bull, this one seems to be a Monster drink, and I think some iced tea. And then down below, you can find more information about this business. So how much money do you need to invest? Capital required 25,000, liquid capital 25,000. So basically this is quite a cheap investment. So basically what they want you to do is probably they set up these vending machines for you, and you just simply have to put in products. So if you don't want to build your own vending machine business, you can just simply work with this franchise here together. So let's go back and actually have a look at a couple more businesses. For instance, right here, Commercial Training Group, 25,000 investment. Then Cruise Planners, American Express, 10,000 investment. Slip Doctors, 13,000 investment. Blue Coast Savings Consultants, 21,000, and so on and so on. So you can of course also at any given time, again, look for franchises here on BizBuySell.com. Again, I'm not affiliated with this platform. I can just give you as a recommendation to check it out. If you're not interested in buying a business, selling a business, or opening a franchise, you don't necessarily have to check out this platform. But I think especially if you have a certain amount of money that you cannot use for anything right now, I would think about investing in businesses and or buying businesses and or buying franchises. So alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other in the next one.